This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically these Foil Luxe black and gold compartment containers and lids. And it is a 28-ounce capacity, 2-compartment container that you can see features a gold interior and a black exterior. They're approximately 9 by 7 and an inch deep. The lids for these, it's important to note, are sold separately, and you can see from the one I have here on the back that it gives you a nice, tight, secure fit, and it actually has a little bit of headroom to it. So it's actually a really nice lid there that'll allow you some extra capacity if you're packing up meals. These containers are oven safe. It's just important to note before putting them in the oven, you do want to remove the lid because they are not. So they're perfect for reheating meals, especially if you're doing takeout and you know your customers are going to warm them up before eating. They feature a lovely contemporary shape and design, and that black and gold is just a stylish option, especially if you're doing takeout or you're looking to do prepared meals if you're a caterer. The matching lids make them great for leftovers, and they can be put in the freezer as well. Those secure fitting lids make them a great option for those takeout meals or packaged meals, since they're going to help prevent spills and really keep your food separate. So especially if you're packing up things like a main dish, maybe with a starch, and you want to be able to put some sides there, especially if something has some liquid going on, and you want to make sure they stay separate and those foods stay in great pristine condition, even in transport, these are a nice option. The containers are recyclable, making for an easy cleanup, and the aluminum that these compartment containers are made from is sturdy, which allows for the packaging of even heavy and hearty meals without bending or breaking. So these are a great option for restaurants, caterers, and food trucks, or just at home if you're thinking about taking lunches into the office, school, or work, or if you're looking to do some meal prep or just stock up your freezer.